In this video, I am going to show you SalesIQ to help you track visitors to your website and engage with them using live chats. Start by opening SalesIQ in your Zoho applications. Click on Settings and then go to Personalize and click on Brands. In this video, the brand has already been added. Zoho supports multi-brand for a small additional fee. Click on the brand. Now go to Installation. Enable the website and click on it. In this tab, you will see the code you need to embed into the website code. Click on Copy this code. Now go to your website. In this video, we are going to use WordPress. Click on Appearance and choose Theme File Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Header. Copy and paste the script inside the header and save the changes. Now go to the website. As you can see, we are now online and the live chat widget is now embedded on the website. This live chat can be customized with your company brand and color. Now go back to SalesIQ and you can now see any visitors on our website. The country flag represents where the visitor is from. With the flag moving closer to the center, the longer they spend on the website. If you click on the flag, you can see more information about their time on the website, pages viewed, and clicks made. The referral section will display where they came from example, direct or via Google. Let's go to another page on the website. You can see here in SalesIQ, you can see the pages visited and how long. Now let's go to the live chat on the website and initiate a conversation. This conversation can be started by either party. On the website, we will click on live chat and then chat with us now. Let's start by saying hello. A response is automatically replied. This is called a bot and can be configured to suit your business needs. As the visit engages, it rings on SalesIQ to alert you to the conversation. As you can see, this user is set to available and the chat has been automatically assigned. This routing, like the automated responses, can be configured under the settings. The user can now engage with a website visitor in a live chat. The live chat is stored in SalesIQ with information about the visitor on the right-hand side. This can also be integrated with Zoho Desk, which creates a ticket for each live and missed chats. To set up the integration with Zoho Desk, click on Settings. First, make sure Zoho Desk has been activated and assigned to your user profile. Watch the videos on Zoho applications and setting up users for more information. Now from SalesIQ, Settings, click on Integrations. Go to Zoho Apps and find Zoho Desk. Then click on Add. Now you will see an alert that integration has been enabled. Click on Connecting your Zoho Desk account to see your portal details. You can now explore the settings in Zoho Desk and SalesIQ automations to further enhance your customer engagement.